Yeah, so it was true what Krzysiek said, that running tests through GUI feels easier, and it is easier. Writing an MVP and having a good architecture is not easy. You need good object-oriented skills to do that, and open mind how to do that, and that's also our experience, that we have failed to do that in one of the projects. We tried to introduce well, MVP in particular, the passive view in particular, but we failed to do that because the programmers weren't ready for it. They just didn't know how to do that. I mean, yeah, the skills weren't there. So, I'm gonna skip ahead and I'm gonna talk about the setup, how to set things up. First thing, it's important, and it should be done at the very beginning, so you start from day one using it. Don't postpone that into the third, fourth iteration, or start without it and we're gonna get along, because you will not get along. You will not catch up. It's also our experience that if we start without a continuous integration environment, we end the project without it. So do it before you start the project. And the tools are, well, the most recognized is Cruise Control, or cruisecontrol.net for the .NET environment. We also use Landbuild. I know there are others, like for Maven there's Continuum, and there are many others. Yeah. But setting up a project doesn't mean, well, it also means tools and infrastructure, but it doesn't stop there. Many people stop there. They think project setup is just, well, put the server, plug it here, and plug this, plug there. It's wrong to think that, because you miss many things. You need to, if you use acceptance tests, it's really good to focus your initial phases of the development. That's the requirement specification or requirements elicitation phase. You need to orient it to acceptance criteria. I say criteria because they're not tests yet. You're going to transform them into tests. For example, you could write using fitness such tables, but they're not going to be tests yet, because they're not going to be executable, because there's nothing to execute them against yet. But what's important is to think of the specification efforts as a way to get the acceptance criteria, the things you're going to need to implement the acceptance tests when you